Good morning, girls. So, today, children, we will try to finish this poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. We have done till stanza 10. I am reading stanza 11 for you all. Please keep the pencils ready to mark the hard words. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon and gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. So, underline grog and flagon. He fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit, and Custard gobbled him every bit. So, Custard, children, he shocked the pirate and he took a good look at him and drank some wine from a bottle that he carried in his pocket. So, grog, children, it's wine, wine, and flagon, that is a flask. The pirate then he took out his pistol and fired 2 bullets at Custard, but he failed to hit him, and Custard remained unharmed. Custard swallowed the whole of the pirate without leaving any trace of him. Stanza 12. Belinda embraced him, Mustard licked him, no one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and blink in glee did gyre around the dragon that ate the pirate. After the Custard had eaten the pirate, to everyone's surprise, there was joy all over the house. Belinda embraced him to express gratitude for saving everyone. Mustard licked the dragon, as that's how a dog shows its love for someone. Everyone celebrated the death of the pirate, and there was no grief. Ink and Blink, they started dancing around the dragon. They were all very happy. Stanza 13. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. Underline that word. And up spoke Ink and up spoke Blink. We would have been 3 times as brave, we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. So, children, this is the last stanza. Flustered, children, it means got nervous. Okay. It became very clear, children, that who is brave you can make out from the incident, and who is coward after the pirates incident. But Mustard started to give excuses for his cowardice and said that he would have been twice as brave as Custard if he had not got nervous. Ink and Blink said that they would have been thrice as brave as the dragon. They could not believe that Custard, the coward dragon, who is so soft at heart, had done such a heroic act. And so they started giving excuses for running away, leaving Belinda alone. The humble dragon accepted that he was the most coward, and everyone was braver than him. So, with this, children, we finish this poem. I would just like to discuss few things here. Children, one important question is that how did everyone react after Custard ate the pirate? So they were all very happy. Belinda even embraced Custard. And you have to write down the reaction of Mustard, Ink and Blink there. Then, did Custard accept his cowardice and their bravery? Yes, because Custard was really a humble animal, as even after killing the pirate he accepted that he is a coward and everyone else is braver than him.